All right, our assignment then is to complete these for home if you didn't get 2 in class. There's a total of 5, and we will discuss them tomorrow. Check your results. Draw a boulder on the cliff for our final note today. Right now, the boulder is still perched. So imagine the boulder perched. You see it in your mind. All right, so right now, the boulder is up here. And there is, we've heard from the past that energy cannot be created or destroyed. So up here, it's all potential energy because it's still. Kinetic energy is energy of things in motion. The word kinetic means motion. Potential energy, it's perched here. So it's all PE. So on your notes, indicate that all the energy of this boulder is PE. When the boulder begins to fall, let's take a snapshot of it, and it's going to go part way down. So say it falls to here. Now, do we have more PE or less PE? Remember, PE is mgh. The height, mass is going to be the same in gravity, but the h has lessened. It's not as high as it was, so we have less PE. And when we get down just an instant before it touches the ground, but it has no height, we'll say, how much PE? No PE.
No PE.
Right, because down here, there's no height. Just an instant before it touches, we'll say there's no PE. All right, so let's go back up. In a different color, I'm going to trace what happens to KE. At the top, when it's still, there's no motion, so KE is no KE because it's mv squared, 1/2 mv squared. So there's no V at the top, it's still. So there's no KE, it's all PE. So what do you think is going to happen to KE when it gets here? All right, it's more because the velocity has increased. So we have less PE, but more KE. And at the bottom, just an instant before it hits, it's no PE and it's all KE. So that suggests a relationship between PE and KE. And what we find out is the total energy always, at every point in our dramatic story here, equals the potential energy plus the kinetic energy. This number never changes. Total energy is the same throughout. That's where I'm stopping today. And you'll actually use that thought in the very last part of number 2. So see if you can handle that. All right, so we're done for today. Have a good video time. Bye.